welcome back to another video. Sadly, this is the last fan chapter of Birds of a Feather. I'm hoping that it's a date so much, but Hawk's Ex Female Reader by Unhawk Ward Illness on Wattpad. This chapter is called A. Okay. Your POV. Wow, last night was sort of fun. I mean, the food was great. And he wasn't being a complete cocky shit. He has been labeled as a peacock though, because he took every chance he could get to flaunt his, how do I put this, fabulous silky chicken wings. Chicken Wings, beautiful name. Strolling into the classroom, all the students continue to bicker, ignoring you completely. You roll out your wing with the socket and waiting for a pop. Continuing to do this until your wing is less stiff. The students sit stiffly in their seats, heavily disturbed by the resounding pop coming from your wings. Alright class, today we will be working on mobility and flexibility. Heroes usually have to fit into tight spaces or be expected to run somewhere in a split second. Now, I do understand some of you would rather not damage your hero costume, but in a situation where you need to go through a tight space or something, you need to do so. Warm up by doing whatever you do, then meet me outside the class and aim full upside. Slowly, Zuko mumbling about how possibilities with your quirk you'd honestly rather not hear right now. Setting up some obstacles, you swiftly deliver the instructions for them to pair up randomly. Cannot go with friends or anything, they grumble and complain. But do you give a shit? No, you don't. Doing a quick run through the course with them, you leave them to run through it, monitoring their progress and giving them tips. This may not seem important, but will help them in the long run. The amount of heroes that become useless once in a tight space is astounding. Even though villains do better than them, that's horrible. Really horrible for you to be saying that. Ida, try to relax when you're bending, not stiff. This isn't a place that requires manners 24/7s. This is a hero school. Sighing, you release. He's hopeless with tight spaces. His armor restricts his movements in tight spaces. While it may be good protection, but it isn't practical in some instances. Glancing at your phone, you cut the lesson short because they're all hopeless. 50 push-ups and sit-ups before you go back. Some collectively groan, voicing their complaint. I believe that was the last chapter. I don't want you, Mopizin. Yeah, this is the last chapter of Birds of a Feather. I hope you enjoyed the series as much as I did. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, whatever. I don't care, honestly. So, bye guys. This might take a moment, but I'll be gone. Okay, bye.